Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and love cars, DIYs and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. So on today's video guys, I'm gonna show you on how you will be able to um, clean and possibly repair your brake light switch like this one. So this is my stock or the original brake light switch that came in with my Hyundai Eon. This is working perfectly fine. I just so happened to replace it since this is already 6 years old. But I'm gonna show you guys on just in case you still don't have the budget to get this or the brake light switch replaced. You can do this method, but this doesn't guarantee that this would last really long. It's a case-to-case basis. I've been reading some that lasted for about a few months before it stopped working again, and even if they cleaned it and adjust the contact, it doesn't work. And some I saw that after cleaning it started working for a few days, then it stopped working. So this is actually just one method to, if ever you're in a long trip and your brake lights it doesn't work, then you can do this method to safely or so you can use your car safely on your way home. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh, by the way, all you need to have, guys, are flathead screwdriver, some contact cleaner, WD-40, and a Grit 1000 sandpaper. Okay.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so once you have removed the brake light switch and prepared your tools, all we need to do is open the brake light switch itself. So using your flathead screwdriver, you just need to pry this lock to basically separate the two. Okay, so I already pried one side, so you just need to start at the edge and work your way towards the lock. I'm gonna go ahead and so it should look like this, guys. Okay, insert your screwdriver and then pry it out until you remove the lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So it's almost out. There we go. Okay, so actually the spring came out. Let me just get it. Okay, so this is the spring that goes in here. Okay, should look like that. Okay, so sometimes this what do you call this, the spring loaded plastic, this um, doesn't move freely. So what you want to do is basically remove the entire thing. Okay, clean this using WD-40, and then wipe it clean, and then make sure you put a small amount of grease, or if you have a what do you call this, silicone based grease, that would be much better. And then insert it back in the spring. So don't make any adjustments yet on the spring until you basically tested it if the plastic still doesn't move freely. Then what you want to do is stretch this spring out a bit to give the plastic more recoil or more bounce to it. So this would be the contact terminal of the brake light switch itself. So the sometimes the reason why it's not working is because this part or the contact is already dirty. Okay, so what you want to do once you get this removed is spray this with electronic contact cleaner, and then you can use a the sand. So this is the contact, guys. Okay, so this so these are the terminals. So those terminals are the ones you want to get cleaned, both sides, so you can retract the terminal and spray it with contact cleaner, and then use your sandpaper to basically clean those terminals. Let's go ahead and do it. So like this. See? So you want to fold the sandpaper so you can get both sides at the same time. And let's do the other one. So again, my brake light switch is still working. I just replaced it to be able to create a tutorial for you guys. Same goes with my shifter cable. Okay, let's see. Let's clean. Okay, that's already clean. And you know what? Let me just get a piece of cloth. So let me go ahead and clean everything. So if you notice, there are a lot of oil because, as most of you guys know, every few months I spray this with penetrating oil or WD-40. And even after 6 years, it still works as a charm. I just replaced it to be able to create a tutorial video for everyone. Same goes with the terminals. It's oily because of the oils, the penetrating oil that I use. It's clean. Alright, so time to spray everything with our WD-40 to lubricate everything. One moment, guys. Alright guys, so we got everything sprayed with contact cleaner and WD-40. Just gonna wipe it clean. This one. So time to assemble everything. Which is pretty easy to do. Okay. Let me just check. Okay. Just make sure that everything is aligned, and then let's press it like that. And that's how you clean and repair your brake light switch. So just to be sure, let's go ahead and test it out and show you guys that it's working. Okay.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright guys, so I removed the terminal already, as you can see. So this is the terminal. That's my new brake switch. This is the one that we just cleaned. I'm gonna install the terminal on this switch. Where's that terminal? Okay, and then we're gonna test it out. Okay. All right, that's in, and let's go ahead and check the brake lights. So as you guys can see, brake lights is turned on. So if I press on the switch, it should turn off. There you go. So it works. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Mark. See you guys on our next video.